How's it going, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a 23-inch Hedge Shears, and this with Wavy blades. How about that? Look at these things right here. This is the box that came in. I've used them a little bit just to kind of like see how they worked, and I was very impressed. This is from the company WORKPRO, and they make a wide variety of tools and kind of like garden tools and random tools in general. You get a little thank you card. That's what I got with mine. And another one, just kind of like build a better product. Oh, this is some of their product line. Look at that product line. I have a socket like holder set from these guys, and I was very impressed with them. So I went ahead and ordered some of these shears. And you can see how they look right here. You get, let's just kind of like go over them. They're 23 inches from here to here. So there's the length on them. The actual, it's a non-slick coated, hardened steel blade, strong steel construction, and comfort grip handles. There it is. And you know what? There's not much to a pair of shears. They give you a little like case right here that goes over the blades. Let's just take that off. We'll go over it here. You see the handles? I like that there's a divot right there in the handles. And look at those blades. So those blades look like something to be on the front of an ant or something. It looks like it has some sort of bearing into a bolt right there. You can see how it goes. But you know what? I can show you this all I want, but let's take it over here to some hedges and do some hedge trimming and see how these things work. So let's get to the hedges now. You can see these hedges are well overdue. See how they're getting up into the back of the porch area here. Let's just go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and look at that. And this has these like little pieces in there. Very impressive. Now I also have like an electric hedge trimmer that I'll use from time to time, but I think these work great. There's sometimes I just want to like knock a little bit off. And these are not the smallest of hedges. You can see right here how these hedges are getting in right there. This is old school hedge trimming right here. Look at that, everybody. That cut that like it was nothing. You see the size of that? So now I've opened that area up. I'm gonna go ahead and trim all the way around and we'll be good to go. I think this is a great set of kind of old school hedge trimmers for anyone that just wants to, you know, be shearing some grass or like I am and knocking down some hedges or something. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the WORKPRO garden shears. See you all in the next video.